Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to cook delicious hoisin chicken. First, let's gather our ingredients. You will need about 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken, either thighs or breasts. For the marinade, combine 1/2 cup of hoisin sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar. Make sure to cut your chicken into roughly 1-inch pieces for consistent cooking. Now that your chicken is prepped, it is time to marinate it. Place the chicken pieces into a bowl with your hoisin sauce mixture, ensuring every piece is well coated. Let it marinate for at least 30 minutes or even up to 4 hours in the refrigerator for deeper flavor. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add the chicken and cook it for about 5 to 7 minutes until it is beautifully golden brown and fully cooked. Once your chicken is cooked, it is time to perfect that amazing sauce. If you have any marinade left over, pour it into the skillet with the cooked chicken. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer, allowing it to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. This process helps the sauce thicken slightly and coats the chicken beautifully. Finally, for an extra touch of flavor and presentation, garnish your hoisin chicken with a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds and some freshly chopped green onions. Your hoisin chicken is now ready to be enjoyed. For a classic and satisfying meal, I recommend serving it over a bed of fluffy steamed white or brown rice. To make it a complete and balanced dinner, consider adding a side of your favorite stir-fried vegetables, like broccoli or bell peppers. This versatile dish is fantastic for a quick weeknight meal, and it also works wonderfully for meal prepping throughout the week. Enjoy your homemade hoisin chicken.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.